Hi, it's Jackie from the basement, Happy-With-A-Twist-Acrylic-Pours-Plus, and I've been thinking about some colors here. I mixed up buku amounts of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I think I may have 3 bottles of it, so we're going to definitely put that to use today. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to put this into a cup of, there's 2 of them. Okay, alrighty. Now we just have 1, but we'll use the other one. Oh my gosh. I would like to do, I mixed up some turquoise here, Artist Loft Turquoise, and I have I did mix up some neon purple, neon violet, excuse me. So I want to do a neon violet, black, turquoise, and the purple flash from Folk Art, and some white, and we're going to do this on a 10 by 20. Not quite sure how we're going to lay this out yet. Maybe a traveling tree ring. Let's find out. So, let's get this cup together. Gonna put a little, we're gonna put some purple. I'm gonna call it all purple, I'm sorry. We're going to put this into the bottom up here. This is why I had a leftover that was too much to go into the squeezed bottle. Okay, gonna put some of that in there. And let's do a white. Yes, I think a traveling tree ring will be in the making for this. Alrighty. Pour in a little bit of that turquoise. I didn't mix up a whole bunch because I don't have any bottles. So, those should be here tomorrow. And here is the Amsterdam Black. Whoopsie. Let's get that off of there. Alrighties. Hopefully this continues taping all the way through, unlike the last time. That was so strange. I thought, surely I did something wrong. And I didn't. It just stopped. So, okay. And we want to put some of that flash in here. Boop, boop, ba-doop. It's right here. Okay, let's do this again. Let's put some white between there. I want to remind you all that anything you see that I've made is up for sale. So, if there's something you like, just let me know, okay? My prices are not outrageous. I enjoy doing this. So, okay, let's go with the Turk. Going without gloves again, aren't we? Penny, what you doing in the closet, girly? Neon violet. She's over there in the closet. Bless her heart. I'll have to see if I have any more of this Amsterdam Black and mix that up. And something just went plop. Oh well, it's all good. Okay. I'm hoping this isn't too thick. We will find out, won't we? Alrighties. More of the flash. I like this flash. It's got a little undertone of a blue in there. Oh, pooey. I forgot the gold, guys. And where's the gold? There's the chair. Okay. I'm gonna put a little touch of this in here. Whoopsie-doo. Gonna have to mix more of that up, aren't I? Yikes. And let's get the rest of this turquoise in here. I hope everybody's having a good Saturday. Yay, the weekend is here. For me, I say that because the spammer stopped calling me. Whew. I'll tell you, I get some crazy ones throughout the week. Andrea says I need to start taping them. Oh, goodness. All right. And a touch more of the black. Pin. Welcome out of the closet. She looks like she's on the search for something. Is there something I need to know, ma'am? Ma'am. Go with the neon again. Oops. Alrighty. Let's do this. Let's do a traveling tree ring. Okay. Things are still taping. Yay. Alright. Let's start down here. I seem to be molting. Excuse that noise, I'm doing laundry. Oh. That was mine. Okay. I wish I had some more gold into here. It's okay. It's all right. Let's use the smaller. And we're going to put some along here. So when we stretch it out, it doesn't go all funky-do. It's not stretching on a dry surface. Okay, well, that's on the floor. these in the pocket, and we're just about to tilt. Once I pick this up, there we go. Alrighty. Let me do one little thing first. If I can find the right tool without getting too... Alright, that's good enough. Alrighty. There's that chair. Alrighty. And now, let's see what we can do. Gonna do it without gloves again. Gonna have some very pretty skins down here. Just having a little bit of trouble maneuvering over that corner, but hey. Okay. Touch this up over here. And over here. Gotta get those corners. And oh my goodness, absolutely over here. Okay. Alrighty. That's looking kind of gnarly. Now to pluck a paper towel or two. This is definitely likable, I think. We're going to hit it with a torch before... Ooh, we got it. Yeah. Going to hit it with a torch before I bring you down. Just to see if maybe something might pop up in here. Yeah, I definitely should have had the gold throughout. Wasn't thinking. I know, so unlike me, right? Okay. It may be time for a refill on this. You guys know the drill. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Doomy doomy doom. Here we go, here we go. There's the chair. I do see some cells popping up in here. Little ones. We've got some here growing. Huh. Give you a shot from this angle. Whoops, I'm trying to get it all in there. Okay, yeah. So, hey. That's it today, I think, for this time being. From Happy-With-A-Twist-Acrylic-Pours-Plus. Thank you for tuning in, and hit that bell for notifications. And subscribe if you'd like. And yes, we will see you guys next time. Take care all. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.